Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to set custom home Duckduckgo application in computer. So how to set custom home Duckduckgo application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Duckduckgo application on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of the Duckduckgo application. For a set custom home in Duckduckgo, just point the cursor to the upper corner of the screen. Here, tap three dots, and a scrolling menu will appear. And select the Settings menu. Here we are already in the Settings menu and there are several menu options that can be used. Tap the menu, General. Now in this General menu, there is a home page in the section Specific Page. Now and next to it tap Set Page. Now this menu will appear. Now here in the word Duckduckgo, change it to YouTube. Then tap OK. Here it's done. To try it, we open a new tab. Tap on the Home button, wait for loading. Well, it's automatically entered into YouTube. So that's it, tutorial how to set custom home Duckduckgo application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.